step into the Dodge 2018 Journey say. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 2.4 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, pitch black clear coat, quick order package 22B included, engine 2.4 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP rear view auto dim mirror with display park view rear backup camera, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, connectivity group included, radio 4.3 SU Connect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped shift knob leather-wrapped steering wheel, radio, 4.3S included, Sirius satellite radio 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 888-539-7474, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 aluminum, black premium cloth.